sharpologist.com.
Hi, Mantic59 here. And a while back I wrote an article for Sharpologist about the new shaving creams from Conk. And I mentioned that the cream had a little bit of a different consistency and it made for a bit of a different looking lather. A few people asked me for some more detail on that, so I thought I would just whip up a batch and show you. The Southwestern Sun Shave Cream is pretty typical of the line's performance, though the other scents vary slightly because of their ingredient mix. The first thing you'll notice about the cream is how sticky it is. As you dip the brush into the tub, you'll notice that the cream sticks to the tips of the brush's bristles. I'll show you how the lather builds using a bowl instead of directly on the face so you can see the progression. Here's the lather ready to apply. Depending on the resolution of the video you have set and the size of the screen you're looking at, you may be able to see the softer, creamier texture compared to other traditional creams. The stickier characteristic also leaves more of the lather inside the brush where it can continue to hydrate instead of building on top of the bristles. Hi, my name is Mark, otherwise known as Mantic59. And my channel is all about what your father didn't teach you about shaving.
Are you tired of paying the high price of replacement cartridges for your multi-blade razor? Here's a way of shaving that costs a fraction of what you're paying now. It's the same way your grandfather shaved, with a single double-edged blade.